So this is kind of one of those things that a lot of big pages on Instagram do, and it works really, really well. But when you see it, you don't really question why they're doing it or if there's even a purpose behind it. You just kind of see it and you kind of look away. But today we're gonna go over the way that you can go ahead and get a ton more of your followers seeing and engaging on your posts by doing one simple action.
My name is Anthony. I run an Instagram marketing agency and also run a 1 million follower network on Instagram.
And I make videos like this to help you take your Instagram account from 0 to hero. So make sure you subscribe because this is the Instagram Hub. Now, I'm also going to be giving something away at the end of this video, so stick tuned to the end. But with that said, let's go ahead and let's get right into it. When the big pages make a post on Instagram, you might see them go live fairly shortly after. And a lot of times people just kind of brush this off, don't really know what it means. And of course, just the regular people on Instagram who have no clue about growing or anything like that, and they're just engaging, consuming content, they just do whatever the influencer tells them to. If you've ever seen an influencer make a post and then immediately go live promoting that post, this is a way for them to get traffic to that post through going live instead of using something like a DM group or power likes or shoutouts. This is their way of pushing more traffic to their posts basically organically. Now you may be thinking, why go live? What purpose does that serve? Well, when you go live, a notification gets sent out to a very large percentage of your Instagram base. It'll go right out to them and it'll notify them that you're live. So everybody that is online on Instagram is going to see that you're live. As they pop on, what you'll see most influencers do is sometimes they'll just straight up record their Instagram screen and then just tell them to go like and comment and check out the new post. Maybe they go live for 1 to 3 minutes and that's it. Then they shut down the live and that is it. And what they did is they just sent out a notification to everybody that they are live streaming. The people who are online on Instagram go ahead, they hop on that live stream, and now they're going ahead and they're going to their profile, engaging on their post when they might not have seen their post, because as we know, Instagram does not naturally show your post to all of your followers. It shows it to a small percentile of your followers, and if it engages well, then it'll start showing it to more people. Then you can start trending on things like hashtags, like the explore page. So what this does is it capitalizes on all the followers that are online that probably aren't going to see your content, forces them to see your content. Instagram thinks your content is performing very, very good, shows it to more of your followers, performs even better, and then you lead to hashtag ranking, you lead to explore page ranking, everything like that. And that's why you'll see so many times huge accounts going live right after making a post, promoting that post. However, this is the lazy way to do it. Just straight up recording your computer screen or your phone screen for 1 or 2 minutes and telling people that you posted a new post. There's something you can do that would make this a lot more efficient and build a better connection with your followers. If you really want people to go ahead and engage more than just promoting the post and saying, hey, go check it out, one thing that could work very, very well is doing a giveaway, or you could also take this time on your live to just simply give value. We'll start off with the giveaway one first. One of the easiest ones to do is you can say the first 3 people who go and comment, or the 19th person or the 20th person who comments, however it is, however you want to word it, test it with your own audience to see what works best. You can give them a free shout out, a free story mention, something like that. And that will dramatically increase the numbers of people who actually take action, because out of all the people that see your live, you have to also remember that not many people are going to actually take action. Some of them will, but not all of them will. But you can increase that by giving them reasons to, such as giving away a shout out. And the reason why I say shout out is because it's free to give away, people like it, it entices them, and it costs you nothing but 5 seconds to go ahead and make a quick story shout out promoting them. Or the second thing you can do, let's say maybe you're more of a personal branding page, is you can actually just get on the live and start giving value, answering some questions, do like a normal live stream along with promoting your post. So that way you seem more genuine, you seem more trustworthy, and it doesn't look like you're out there just kind of fishing for likes. You don't lose the respect of any of your followers. Any of those two will work much better than just going ahead and recording your screen and telling people to go check out the new piece of content, like and comment. And that is the one thing that you can do to go ahead and increase your engagement, increase your followers, get more likes, get more comments, reach the explore page without using things like DM groups, power likes, or anything else, just using the straight up organic reach of your account. And what makes this better than just posting a story that shouts out that you have a new post is that this is sending out the notification. Remember, the thing that is so powerful about the live stream is that the live stream will actually send out a notification. If you just post a screenshot and put that on your story, no notification goes out. People would have to naturally go and watch your stories, whereas when you go live, you can go ahead and send out out that notification, which also makes lives a really good thing for reviving dead Instagram followers or trying to revive a dead page, because you get those notifications out. If you go live at all your peak times during a day, maybe morning, evening, and nighttime, then what's gonna happen is you're gonna reach your followers at all different times of the day when different people are online. They're all getting notifications, and you could really go ahead and recaptivate the audience that you have. So if some of the biggest accounts on Instagram are going live, maybe you should too. That's why they're doing it. Now, I did say that I was gonna give away something at the end of this video, so if you made it this far, congratulations. I'm actually giving away free consulting calls with me. It's one-on-one. All that you have to do is drop this video a like, leave a comment on this video, and once per week, I announce on my Instagram stories a winner. So make sure you're following my Instagram as well so you know when you win. The more videos I put out that you like and comment on, the greater a chance that you have at winning. And on these calls, we can go over anything you want, Q&As, we can make custom Instagram growth plans, custom monetization plans, or literally anything else to get your Instagram game going at top notch. So leave a thoughtful comment down below, and that's it, you're in. And with all that said, for any of you guys who are looking for a more advanced Instagram training, maybe you've been stuck for a while, you need something that's basically like a blueprint, gonna be step by step, I do have an advanced training. It's pretty long, a little too long for YouTube. I'll leave it linked below. Go check it out if you've been struggling and you really wanna go ahead and get your first 10K, 100,000 followers. Keep grinding, keep hustling, like and comment, and I'll see you all on the next one.